But it's that time of the day when Nimesh joins us on our special segment, D-Street Chatter, to tell us what is he picking up in terms of dealing room action. Nimesh.
Hi, Nigel. The markets are back with a bang, right? Just 2 days of cool-off and a bit of correction, and we have pulled back very sharply from the low. So, big moves in the markets today, especially in the Nifty names. Unlike yesterday when the markets fell sharply, I had said, it's not backed by large FI buying. That's the case today as well. The markets are up at day's high, but it's not backed by very large buying. There is a small market at close basket buying in some Nifty names today. So you'll see some reactions in some Nifty stocks in the last 30 minutes of trade. But it's very small is what I understand from a flow perspective. As I said, for the last many days, the big theme seems to be sector rotation. So today's a day for rate sensitive. All the real estate stocks are buzzing in trade. The realty index is up 6% and there is a big move in the individual names in the real estate pack. Even the financials have done well in trade today, largely on back of strong Q3 updates from most of the financial names. So whether it's NBFCs or banks, most of them have reported very strong commentary going into Q3. A bit of profit booking in the OMCs, largely on back of the CLSN note where they've downgraded all the OMC stocks, but largely from a flow perspective, a small market at close basket buying, but the pullback looks like it's more of a short covering rather than big buying from larger FIs.
Okay, and what about stocks, Nimesh?
Well, Ekta, in terms of individual names, the first stock is Anant Raj Industries. While the entire real estate pack is doing good today, Anant Raj is a bit consolidating in a very narrow range. I understand the company is likely to raise funds via QIP very soon, so that's something to track as far as Anant Raj is concerned. The second stock is Delhivery. For the last couple of days, we've seen some upgrades as well on Delhivery from FI brokerages, and some bit of buying is also resumed in that particular stock. In fact, I understand a leading domestic mutual fund is an active buyer in Delhivery of late, and hence the delivery volumes are quite high in that stock. The third name is Castrol. While the stock is almost at 52-week highs, there is some signs of profit booking at this level. So there is selling pressure from a leading FI desk in Castrol in today's trade. So expect high delivery volumes there as well. And the last one is Infosys. The entire IT pack on the back of the JP Morgan note has seen some bit of traction, but Infosys stands out. As I said, there is MOC buying. Infosys has some bit of MOC flows as well in the last 30 minutes of trade. And also there is a Morgan Stanley note in the morning. They put out a tactical buy on Infosys as well out of the earnings. So largely on back of that, within the IT names, Infosys stands out on flows as well as an upgrade.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot for that, Nimesh. Well, let's get in Mitesh back. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC-TV18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.